Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Karen and Nelson Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a walk-in shoulder sway. So this is just one of the really easy variations on a shoulder sway. Knowing how to do a standard shoulder sway would be really helpful. Link to that in the description below, so it's easy and quick for you to go back and look at it. But we're going to jump straight in. It looks like this. Go 7 and 8. A 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. So if we break that down, all you've got to do, send the lady back, walking the lady forwards, getting out of her way, take her in a return direction, wrapping onto the shoulder, join in with her walk for 1, and then bring it to face, and then it's just return and back. So if we do the same thing from this side, we'll talk numbers. We go back 1, walk 2, wrap 3, walk 4, face 5, return 6 and back 7. Let's try it together. Here we go. 5, 6, a walk in shoulder sway. We go a back, walk, wrap, walk, face, return and back. And that's that. Nice easy one, that one. Do like, subscribe and hit the notification bell. Music recommendation on the end. And as always, thank you for watching World of Floorcraft. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.